Today I am reviewing the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the link below the video. This beast is built around the AMD Ryzen 79700X processor, clocked at 3.8 GHz and capable of turbo boosting up to an insane 5.5 GHz. With 8 high-performance cores and blazing fast responsiveness, this CPU is optimized not just for gaming, but also for intensive creative workloads like 4K video editing, 3D modeling, and streaming. You'll notice faster load times, seamless multitasking, and zero hiccups in performance, even during peak system demands. Paired with the Ryzen processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T graphics card, featuring 16 GB of next-gen DDR5 RAM. This card is a true game-changer. It effortlessly handles graphically demanding titles like Call of Duty, Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, and Fortnite at ultra settings in 1440p and even 4K. DLSS and ray tracing features come standard, giving you cinematic visuals, buttery smooth frame rates, and a level of immersion that transforms every gaming session. And let's talk about speed. The Skytech Rampage comes equipped with a 1TB Gen4 NVIDIA SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. That means near-instant boot-up times, rapid level loading, and lightning-fast game installations. Alongside that, you get 32 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RGB RAM, ensuring no slowdown during multitasking. Stream, game, record, and chat simultaneously with zero lag. Thermal performance is another area where this PC shines. It features a 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans, keeping your system running cool and whisper quiet, even under heavy loads. Whether you're grinding through marathon sessions of Apex Legends or rendering 3D environments in Blender, the Rampage stays chilled and quiet thanks to its optimized airflow and liquid cooling. Say goodbye to overheating and thermal throttling for good. Connectivity is seamless with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi built in, and a generous array of USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, plus HDMI and DisplayPort options for versatile monitor support. There's also high-definition audio with mic support and a sleek mesh chassis design for optimal airflow. The Skytech Rampage Black Edition isn't just about power, it looks incredible too. With customizable RGB lighting, you can match the aesthetics of your setup or cycle through dynamic lighting patterns for a truly immersive vibe. The build is housed in a spacious, high airflow case with front mesh paneling, ensuring cool air gets exactly where it's needed most. Every purchase includes a free RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and free lifetime technical support. And yes, this system is proudly assembled in the USA. In terms of real-world gaming performance, the Rampage dominates. It runs all your favorite titles, like Valorant, League of Legends, Overwatch 2, Minecraft, Baldur's Gate 3, Counter-Strike 2, and even Black Myth, Wukong, at 60+ frames per second at 1440p ultra settings, with no compromise on visual fidelity or input lag. Whether you're a competitive esports player or an immersive RPG explorer, this PC has you covered. To sum it up, the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC is more than just a desktop. It's a future-proof, high-performance rig that blends raw power, modern cooling, elite graphics, and speed into one complete package. Whether you're a serious gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply demands the best from their machine, this system delivers on all fronts. If you want your games to look better, your load times to vanish, and your workflow to run smoother than ever, the Skytech Rampage is an absolute no-brainer.